How to log in to ChatGPT. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch your ChatGPT application on your phone. Okay, here we go. Now tap on any of the options that you have used to create your ChatGPT account. In my case, I'm going to go with Google. Okay, now wait for a while and verify this process. Then wait for some time again. Now you'll come across this page over here. Now enter your details or just tap on continue with any of the apps. Enter your details, enter the verification code and just tap on next and wait while the page is loading. Okay, wait for a while. Just tap on continue here. Okay, now you can see that you have been logged in into your ChatGPT account. So that was it for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.